It has never been easier to earn a steady income online in South Africa without any fancy degrees or following any complicated systems. If you've been looking for a way to earn an extra income and you thought that you're going to have to get another job or maybe work endless hours online or have huge capital that you have to spend, I'm going to help and show you how you can follow a step-by-step process and actually earn some income online from day one. My name is Lizelle. I earned over 2.3 million just in 2024, starting as a new beginner in digital marketing. But you see, the way of the future is digital because there are 5 billion people scrolling online. Digital is the way of the future. If you are not going to earn money online, you're probably going to work for someone that does. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can get out of that rut, out of that working 9 to 5 and start earning an income by working smarter instead of harder. Are you ready for that? Number one, you need to make sure that you are promoting a digital product that is profitable. In other words, a product that people are already looking online for. Now, digital is the way to go because that means no stock that you have to keep on hand, no big amount that you have to spend on starting up your business. You can immediately start earning if you have a digital product that you can sell. Now, there are many products out there that you don't have to create. That's already in high demand. Tip, e-learning industry. The e-learning industry is the fastest growing industry out there. So if you can create a digital product teaching someone a skill, it can be anything. Maybe you're a baker, maybe you bake some nice cakes and you can do a recipe book and sell that online. Or you can buy a master resale rights product. That means you get 100% profit for a product that you already know people are looking for. The other way that you can earn online is by affiliate marketing. That is promoting other people's products and services and you get a small percentage commission for that. That's a good way to go, but master resale rights is actually better to get 100% profit or selling your own digital product because that means the money gets paid into your bank account. You don't have to wait for a little small piece of the pie. You can actually take 100% profit. It just makes more sense, right? The third option is online freelancing. Maybe you are already skilled in the online field, like maybe you're a graphic designer or you can do nice invitations or something like that. If you know how to sell that and you follow the right system, you can actually make sales on autopilot and still earn in dollars. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The second point I want to make is automation. You want to automate your business, and I'm going to show you in a second how you can use a free automated system. Now, what you want to do is you want to go down to the link below and you want to go grab my free guide that's going to show you the free automated system that I use that you can have for free and start implementing straight away. So, automating your business means that you have like a sales team online working for you 24/7. That means you do not have to get on the phone with anyone to be able to make a sale happen. It's like having a store open 24/7, but you don't have to be there because it does the selling for you. But here's the magic. You know that people buy from people they know, like, and trust, but it's impossible for you to build a relationship of the know, like, and trust from all over the world, right? It's impossible because that means you're going to have to be on your phone the entire day. And I'm sure you don't want that. That's why I love teaching people a 2-hour workday. I'm showing you how to work smarter instead of harder. So in a second, I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly how this automated system works. Let me get into it. So if I go to my automated system, you are going to see my leads for the last 31 days, right? I took a rough figure in May. This is my dashboard. This is the free system that I share with you inside the free guide that you will get at the bottom of this video. So if you look at the leads over there, right? This is the leads that came in. So I have learned how to attract my customers to me through social media, which is free. I love to help people build an online business to 6 figures without spending a cent monthly. As a South African, this is huge because this means you can immediately start earning 100% profit without being tied to a monthly contract or a monthly expense. So this is an absolute free system. So look at this. Are you ready? So these are the leads that I've attracted through my social media content. Social media, that's a free tool that I'm using, letting people know about the solution that I have to offer for them. If you go into my email list, look at this. When you go to campaigns, I'm in my legacy builder, right? That is my best selling program. So, by the way, this is a master resale rights program that I purchased that I sell for 100% on autopilot. The big game changer for me and my family. This is how I've earned my millions. So you'll see there is an email sequence set up, right? Are you ready to see this? Emails that are already converting. Now, if your emails convert at an open rate of 20%, that is considered good. Look at how this one is converting at 65%. But are you ready for this? Look at this. When you go down, look at the stages my customers are in. There's 57 in this email, 41 in that, 7 there, 4 there, 10 there, 39 over here, 12. Can you see that while I'm chatting to you, that there's an automated flow happening 24/7 online? People are discovering me, they are getting to know, like, and trust my offer to see if we are a good fit for one another. They are in the decision process to see if this is going to work for them. If they decide that this is not going to work for them, no pressure. They unsubscribe. This makes it a rejection-free business, which is amazing for me. Absolutely amazing. So what I want to take you through next is, this is what you need to do to attract people to your automated system. If you already have this automated system, click, remember, down on the link below, I'm sharing it in my free guide with you, that free automated system. And I actually share 3 steps with you on how you can start making a daily income. So, if you have that free automated system, you need to attract people to it. So make sure that you post consistently, at least 3 times a day on social media. You can choose any platform, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, any platform. Just make sure that you post at least 3 times a day and that you give value in your content, letting people know what is the solution that you offer for them. To give you an example, my solution is to people that are suffering financially, that are struggling financially. I know that my system works. I give them a 2-hour workday system and I know that they can start earning immediately. And they can relate to me because I tell my story. I share where I was. In debt, struggling, thinking I was going to have to get a second job. And then I found the system and I left my full-time job within 5 weeks. And since then, I've been a stay-at-home mom, something that I've always wanted to be. You see, but I thought I could never afford it until I found this way of working smarter instead of harder. So if you are that parent maybe out there, maybe you're an individual and you know that there's a way of working smarter. You've seen the online world. You've seen other people make money online, but you're feeling stuck because you're thinking, I don't have experience. I don't have the right system. Well, this is me showing you exactly how you can do it. This, the 4th thing that I want to say to you, or even the 5th, is scale your income. Once you've got this down and you know how it works and you're in the flow of it all, then you can scale your income and add some additional products. But the most important thing is to get started. So if you want to get started today, maybe you want to get started with a done-for-you system like I did. You're going to grab that link at the bottom below. You're going to get the link to get in contact with me. You can ask me for advice. I'll give it to you. But let's get you on the road to earning some income and changing that generational wealth, okay? Because this is the game changer for you. So thank you so much for attending my video. I'm so glad you were here. Subscribe to this channel and come back for more. I always strive to add value. And if you grab the link below, you get the chance to get into my email list and get a chance to see what this automation is all about and how you can get involved as well. Thank you so much for joining.